As many VMware customers prepare for upcoming platform changes, including a required transition to VCF9, organizations are being asked to make major infrastructure decisions under tighter timelines and increased complexity. A long-requested capability in Nutanix Move 6.1 offers another path forward. Nutanix Move can now manage in-place cluster conversion, allowing a Nutanix cluster running ESX to transition to AHV directly without the disruption of traditional migration methods. Hi, I'm David Teague, your friendly neighborhood technical marketing engineer. Migrating and modernizing infrastructure shouldn't mean unnecessary risk or a forced re-architecture. In this demo, we'll explore how Nutanix Move cluster conversion simplifies the move away from legacy hypervisor on your terms and your timeline.
Let's get started. On the Move dashboard, you'll notice a new tab at the top. Cluster conversion is now among the core migration types managed by Move alongside VM, files, and security policy. Since we already have the cluster we want to convert, let's create a plan. The overview screen outlines exactly what Move will do during the in-place conversion. On the next screen, we'll name the plan and select our target cluster. Move immediately begins validating the environment to ensure that all hosts and VMs are compatible with the conversion. Once validation is complete, we'll upload the AHV ISO and the specific ESXi ISO version detected by the system. With those validated, we move forward. On this screen, we can customize the conversion order. This is vital if you need to move an application along with its supporting servers simultaneously. You can move a VM between stages by clicking the red minus to remove it, then navigating to your desired stage, clicking Manage VMs and selecting it. You can also use the filter to quickly find specific VMs. Once your stages are set, click Save and then Next to reach the VM preparation screen. These options will feel very familiar if you've used Move for migrations. You can retain static IPs, choose between automatic or manual prep, and set the admin password for all VMs, either globally or individually. Once configured, click Prepare VMs. Move will then install the Nutanix VirtIO drivers on the source VMs to ensure they boot successfully on AHV. You can monitor the progress by clicking Preparation Details. With preparation finished and using a little video magic, we can move on. After clicking Next, Move applies the configuration and performs a final readiness check. You can start the conversion immediately, but for this demo, we'll save it as a draft so it can be triggered during a scheduled maintenance window. To begin, simply click the three dots and select Start Conversion. As the process begins, we'll head into the plan details to monitor stage 1. We're going to select Pause so the process halts once the first stage completes. This allows us to verify the converted machines before resuming. Now let's imagine a scenario where a VM doesn't behave as expected after conversion. We can select that specific VM and roll it back to its original state, allowing us to troubleshoot without impacting the rest of the migration. To restart the migration after troubleshooting the VM, just click Edit, reassign the VM to an existing or new stage, save the new plan, then select Resume. And just like that, with the help of a little video magic, the cluster conversion is complete. Back on the cluster conversion page, you can see the final results, including how many hosts and VMs were converted, along with the total time it took.
This is how Nutanix Move manages in-place cluster conversion. What was once a black box operation in Prism Element is now a transparent guided workflow, giving you granular control, clear visibility, and built-in safety throughout the conversion process. This can help speed up your migration to Nutanix, giving you greater confidence to convert using the hardware you already have.
If you're evaluating your next move, especially as platform changes accelerate, Nutanix Move 6.1 gives you a simpler way to transition to AHV without disruption. Head over to nutanix.com/test-drive to try Move and explore our other test drives. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss future deep dives.